Denver, having ground, X-ray 1, radio check, taxi to 1-2.
X-ray runway 7, hold, correction runway 12, hold short runway 7, leave my test.
Roger that.
Morning everyone. Today we have flight from Daytona Beach International Airport to the Flagler or Ormond Beach. It's Ormond Beach here, and Flagler is here. Just a short trip, 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hours, no more. So let's check the weather in Daytona Airport. Yeah. We have VFR now, the actual weather, wind 360, 5 knots, visibility 10 miles. In the forecast 15,000. It's okay, it's good for VFR. Temperature 9. Alright, DAF. It will be, wind gonna be changed from 360 to 030 at 7, visibility 6, and broken 20,000 is okay also. Alright, you can double check NOTAM, wildlife hazard black belt flowers. It's notice about the flocking birds around vicinity of airport, I mean. Alright, let's double check weather. Let's see precipitation. We're here. Let's see the rain around Miami somewhere in the south part of Florida. We're at the east part. We're good to go. Outlook, we can check thunderstorms also as well. It's from 10,000 to, I mean, flight level 100 to flight level 200. We're gonna fly around 3,000 feet. It's okay for us. Storm, we don't have any storms. All right, so southeast part clouds, 3 hours. What do we have? See, we have overcast, top flight level 450, sorry. Yeah, we're good to go. Like weather for VFR flight is okay. Okay guys, so looks like we're gonna take runway number 7 left, 7 right. It means taking off will be today's part, like to direct to the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So we can check AirMed. AirMed initial Sierra. We don't have anything for us, and in 3 hours also as well. We're good to go. We can double check freezing level, but we don't need it. But we can check it. You know, flight level around flight level 80. This part, where's Daytona Beach? All right, so we can check AirMed Zulu initial. Okay. Good to go. Don't have any it's icing condition is good. We can check Tango AirMed. Here we don't have nothing. We're good to go. We can check Zulu for 3 hours prognostic. It's also good to go because light level 110, 130. I mean 11,000, 13,000 is good. We're good to go. So segment, we can double check segment. Don't have anything right now here. And shout this part. Visibility is okay. Alright, so yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go from Daytona. Let's see Daytona again. VFR weather condition, it's a green. If a green means VFR, as I said. I'll double check weather in Ormond Beach. Probably we go some touch and go in the Ormond Beach, 5-6 touch and goes. And also VFR 3506 knots, 7 south miles, 30 miles. Visibility is okay, it's enough for VFR flight. And let's double check Flagler Airport. Also green, VFR 101, 6 knots, 10 south, 30 miles. Okay, we're good to go. All this area have visual meteorological condition. We're good to go in our airport. So we don't need flight. We don't need a file to file flight plan. When we do VFR flight, it's up to us. You know, we can file VFR plan. We can don't file. No. All right. So ready to go. So some words about airports. Daytona, it's a C-class airspace. It's Charlie. I see like they have 2 circles, inner and outer. So Class Charlie airport covers usually like busy airports, which usually have a mix of airline and general aviation traffic. So Class Charlie airspace it's smaller than Class Bravo airspace. The inner, it's inner. See, it's the inner ring of Class Charlie airspace. Typically extends from the surface to 4,000 feet. In Daytona, it's from ground to 4,000 feet as well. And outer circle usually in Class Charlie airspace typically extends from 1,200 feet above the airport to 4,000 above the airport. And inner has radius 4 nautical miles, and outer circle has the radius 10 nautical miles. Ormond Beach. Oh yeah, by the way, so it's Charlie airspace. As I said before, Charlie airspace have pink, like magenta solid lines, solid color, see, and Ormond Beach Airport and Flagler Executive Airport as well. It's a Delta airspace. Delta has a blue dashed circle, see, it means Delta. It's typically different. Generally, Class Delta airspace extend upward to from the surface, I mean, to 2,500 feet. Let's see, we have an Ormond Beach. Ormond Beach we have from the ground to 1,199. It means 1,200 feet not include to Delta airspace here at this time, this airport. And typically radius it's 5 nautical miles. So Flagler Executive Airport has also from the ground up to 1,500 feet. 1,500 feet include. Yeah. So with the Charlie airspace and Delta airspace as well, you can fly in without ATC approval. 10 miles prior, 10 miles before entering this airspace, you have to tell ATC tower where you're at, your call sign, your altitude, where you're at, as I said, and your intention. Alright guys, so we're ready to go. Everything is okay. We'll see you in the plane.
Takes my breath away, my hair is getting freezy, freezy. I take it easy as I get right on top. I shake it in your pop. I like it when you're dizzy, dizzy. It's too late to stop. Hey, hey, let's start it. Don't tell me now. I really wanna ride it before I let you go. Hey, hey, my body gets high and low. I can't just stop, I shot it because you got it low. I like this carousel. I know you can make it well. Move it up and down. Now let us turn around. I like this carousel. I know you can make it.
On 32.65 or 314 Lima Foxtrot 100.
You got Quebec.
Yes.
Alright, and we're on clearance. So whenever you're ready, you'll just tell them, we'll just say north practice areas because we don't need to get flight following all the way up there. You'll just request north practice area with information Quebec.
Do we need to ATP ramp?
No, we don't have to tell them that we're at
No?
ATP. We'll tell ground that,
Oh.
but clearance,
Okay.
you don't have to tell clearance.
Put it on clearance. Scan.
It's that button.
I'm sorry. Put it on clearance. Skyhawk 536. Good morning. Just ATC clearance report up to the north practice area. Information correct.
He asked if we're going north or south.
We go north.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going north. 506. Please report north practice area. Around 3000. Departure frequency 125.8 and squawk 4650. Scale 536 on the Foxtrot.
Alright, cool. Yeah, you can hear me alright, right?
Orbital 905, contact tower 120.7. Departure, we 5.9, 1 south. 1332 days out first, they tell them 3018, just waiting on the handoff. Up here, 953, contact Orlando 124.8, have a good flight.
Yeah, that would be the parts where you get grounded tower, no. Reset, we'll go over the fuel pump. Yeah, we left with another one.
Allegiant 1332, contact Jacksonville Center 126.35, have a good flight. And point 635 for Allegiant 1332, good day. Jetty East 131, Daytona approach, Daytona altimeter 3018, advise information November at Daytona. Flight present heading vector CR nav runway 25 right. Oh yes, that's Jetty 131. Jason 131, flight present heading vectors RNAV 25 right. Flight present heading for RNAV 25 right, Jason 131. We're at 73 Daytona radar contact, north on course of Smyrna, 8 is information November current. They're on runway 25 configuration, wind is 3304, up to 3016, left turn direct to Smyrna. Copy, New Smyrna Tower. Fish 131, contact approach 125.8, have a good day. Chase 131, contact approach 125.8. Oscar at 234 Daytona Approach, good evening, Daytona Altimeter 3018, advising you have November at New Smyrna, runway 25 in use. Roger.
Approach 183 November Whiskey is with you at 4,800 coming by voucher.
Runway 3 November Whiskey, Daytona Approach, Daytona Altimeter 3018. Advising you have Oscar at Flagler. Do you have an approach request?
We'll get Oscar and we'll let you know on that approach request for 3 November Whiskey.
Roger. 26 Whiskey Radar contact, left on course to South Texas area.
Approach, can 3 November Whiskey do the do vectors for the RNAV 29?
3 November Whiskey, affirmative. Expect vectors are never runway 29 are at flight.
Expect vectors for
In November, 3 November Whiskey. You guys from a new flight school around here or something?
No, right? No, that's
Here?
Yeah, I got it. It's
Alright. Oh, and chokes, right? Yeah, I'll put
your chalks on this side.
Yeah, I'll put it.
Okay.
Chokes. I'll find the chokes.
Yeah, down from Benny over here.
Cool.
Next place is me.
Yeah, alright. Welcome back. Student of the month. Student of the month. We just went from St. Augustine. We were to walk into a plane and change our mind, and we were here. See, it's St. Augustine. Yeah, we never been there before. That's why we get a 7 left runway. Was taken off. took off and joined the shoreline to the north, and just was flying here. We passed Ormond Beach Airport, we passed Flagler Beach Airport, came to St. Augustine, make some touch and goes landings, and we went back to Daytona Airport in the same runway 7 right. A little bit raining here around, so let me see. Radar, yeah, some precipitation, like light rain. It's okay. We did it. All right, so see you soon. Good luck, everyone.